A very good morning to all my dear students and respective parents. Hope so all of you are fine at your home. All my dear students, I hope that all of you are doing your work regularly. Today we will do last 3 questions of exercise 10.5. Question number 10, 11 and 12. Question number 10 is that if circles are drawn taking two sides of the triangle as diameter, two sides of this triangle ABC, side AB and AC are the diameters of the circle. Prove that the point of intersection of these circles, point D, lies on the third side BC of this triangle ABC. You have to prove that this point D lies on this side BC. First write in given that AB and AC are the diameters. You have to prove that this point D lies on side BC. Join A to D, or we can say that join AD. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle ADC is of 90 degree and this angle ADB is also of 90 degree. Why? Because these angles are in semicircle. So these two angles are of 90 degree and 90 degree. When we add these two angles, angle ADB plus angle ADC, means 90 plus 90, 180. So angle BDC, 90 plus 90, 180. Straight angle. If this angle is straight angle 180, so we can say that BDC is a straight line. This angle is of 180, so this line is a straight line. If this line is a straight line, then this point D lies on the line BC. BDC is a straight line and point D lies on this line BC. Hence proved. These two angles are of 90, 90. When we add these two angles, 180. Straight angle. So this line is a straight line and this point D lies on this straight line BC. Hence proved. Question number 10 is complete. Now we will do question number 11. Question number 11 is that ABC and ADC are two right triangle with common hypotenuse AC. AC is common hypotenuse in triangle. Prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. If AC is hypotenuse in this triangle ABC, then angle B of 90 degree, and in this triangle ADC, angle D of 90 degree. Given ABC and ADC are two right angle triangles. You have to prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Angle CAD, this angle, equals to angle CBD. This angle. Join B to D. This line, join this line B and D. You have to prove that this angle CAD and angle CBD are two equal angles. Angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Angles made by same segment, or we can say that for this curve DC, these two angles are made by the same segment. Angle CAD, this angle, and CBD made by this arc D and C. These two angles are equal because angle made by the same segment, or we can say that angle in same segments are equal. So these two angles are equal. Question number 11 is complete. Question number 12. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Means ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. You have to prove that this ABCD is a rectangle. Then start by proof. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. We know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Equation number first, equation number second. Y opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Cyclic parallelogram. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. In cyclic, sum of opposite angles equals to 180. Sum of opposite angles equals to 180. Why? Because this is a cyclic and parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Equation number third. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral sum equals to 180 degree. From equation first and third. From first and third. Angle A is equal to angle C. So we can write A at the place of C. Angle A plus at the place of angle C, write angle A because these two angles are equal. Angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle A. 2 of angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 upon 2 is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Then angle C also equals to 90 degree. Angle A equals to 90 degree and angle C equals to 90 degree. From equation first and third. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Equation number 4. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Angle B and angle D are equal. So from equation second and fourth, from equation second and fourth, we can say that angle B plus angle B, angle B plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. 2 of angle B is equal to 180 degree and angle B is equal to 180 upon 2 equals to 90 degree and equals to angle D. B and D are equal and equals to 90 degree. Angle B and D are of 90 degree. ABCD is cyclic parallelogram. If in parallelogram angles are of 90 degree, then we can say that the parallelogram is also a rectangle. If all these angles are of 90 degree, then we can say that ABCD is a rectangle because all angles are of 90 degree. All angles are of 90 degree. So this parallelogram is also a rectangle. This question number 12 is complete. With this question, our exercise 10.5 is also complete. Thank you.